two-part retirement system will split retirement savings made from 1st September 2024 into two pots. The savings pot holds your future cash at retirement, which you can access before retirement if you absolutely need to. The retirement pot holds your future income. You must use this money to buy a monthly pension or annuity when you retire. If you raid your savings pot before retirement and do not make any plans to replace that money, you give up having a stash of cash at retirement. Having cash at retirement gives you options, as you may need a lump sum to, for example, fund medical needs. Be careful, however, about thinking about using only your retirement pot to provide the pension you are hoping for. Your retirement savings are set up to get you to a targeted savings amount. That sum should provide you with a pension to replace the income you were earning before retirement. Typically, your retirement fund trustees aim for your savings to get you to a pension that is equal to about 60 to 75% of your income before retirement. Your savings are targeted to provide a pension that is often expressed as a percentage of your salary or income before retirement. This is known as your replacement ratio, as it replaces your income. If you only preserve your retirement pot until retirement and use up your savings pot, you reduce how much you save and for how long. And the result is your income replacement ratio will be lower. You could be in for a nasty shock at retirement if you have also withdrawn from your vested pot the savings you made before the two-pot system was introduced. Withdrawing savings during your working years is the reason why so few people reach retirement with enough savings to buy a reasonable pension relative to what they were earning before retirement. Withdrawals mess with the magic formula that is meant to get you to the targeted income. But I'm a long way from retirement. I have time to replace the money I withdrew from my savings pot. Be careful. Saving early in your working life gives you the benefit of compound interest. It does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. You're 28 and earning 30,000 Rand a month. If you take 15,000 Rand out of your savings pot now, you would probably only get about 10,000 Rand after tax. If you don't replace that 15,000 Rand soon after, by the time you reach 65, your retirement savings could be off target by as much as 500,000 Rand. And this 500,000 Rand could make a big difference to the pension you could draw for the rest of your years. The longer you wait, the harder it will be to replace that amount, as it will grow over time. However, if you do borrow from your future self by withdrawing from the savings pot and you immediately start to repay yourself by increasing your contributions to your retirement fund, you can recover. Yay! If you took 15,000 Rand out at age 28 and increased your retirement contributions by 76 Rand a month, increasing with inflation for the rest of your working life, you could get back on track. The more you contribute, the greater the tax deduction you will enjoy. This is how you can also recoup the tax that you paid on your withdrawal. Remember to only withdraw if you really need to. Your retirement savings is for retirement. If you do need to withdraw, get some help from your financial advisor or retirement benefits counselor to work out how to get back on track as quickly as possible. Don't let the money you borrow now from your future self make a big hole in your retirement income. Read more about how to use the two-pot retirement savings system with care at www.smartaboutmoney.co.za.